Hi my dear students, welcome to Students Reference. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon to get notifications for the upcoming videos. Today we are going to discuss about 2014 Set B IEO question paper for class 2 students. I have already uploaded some other IEO, NSO, IMO and IGKO question papers for class 2 students. You please go to the playlist in Students Reference and click Olympiad class 2 to get these question papers. And today's first topic is word and structure knowledge. For questions 1 and 2, use the clues to choose the right word. Example, you use this to fly from one place to another. The answer is a helicopter. 1. You get wool from this animal. A sheep, a horse, a lion. The answer is a sheep. 2. You use this to open a door. A rubber, a key, a fork. The answer is B, a key. For questions 3 and 4, identify the picture from the given options. Example, this is the given picture. The answer is a watch. 3. You look at the given picture. A fly, a football, a net. The answer is B, a football. 4. This is the given picture. A chair, a cupboard, a table. The answer is a chair. Choose the odd word out. Example, a spoon, a camera, a television. The answer is a spoon. 5. Flower, television, printer. The odd one out is A, flower. Choose the word which rhymes. Example, hug, mug. 6. Done. Gun, soon, gone. The answer is A, gun. Done, gun. For question 7 and 8, choose the correct word. Example, one tooth, many teeth. 7. One leaf, many leaves, leaves, leaves. The answer is B, leaves. Leaf, leaves. 8. One mouse, many dash. Mouses, mices, mice. The answer is C, mice. Mouse, mice. For questions 9 to 11, use the most suitable word to fill in the blanks. 9. A crayon is used to dash pictures. Write, color, hide. The answer is B, color. A crayon is used to color pictures. 10. A dash lives in very cold places. Kangaroo, giraffe, penguin. The answer is C, penguin. A penguin lives in very cold places. 11. She forgot to take dash pen to school today. A and the. The answer is A. She forgot to take a pen to school today. Identify the word for countable and uncountable nouns. 12. We have plenty of apples, but we don't have dash oranges. Some, any, lots of. The answer is B, any. We have plenty of apples, but we don't have any oranges. For questions 13 and 14, choose the best word. Example, I invited Ram and Mohan to the party. 13. I looked for my book. Dash, could not find it, but since so. The answer is A, but. I looked for my book but could not find it. 14. Samantha is beautiful dash rich. Also and but. The answer is B. And Samantha is beautiful and rich. Reading for questions 15 to 21. Read the given passage and answer the questions that follow. The baby squirrel. Once upon a time in the woods lived a squirrel family called Petersons. They were all very happy, but the happiest among them was baby squirrel. Every day the baby squirrel, who was called Pete, would wake up with a broad smile. Pete was a very friendly squirrel and never fought with his brothers and sisters. Even at school, Pete's teacher was surprised at how hard he worked and was always willing to help other animals in the class. However, one day Pete came to school without a smile on his face. Everyone was surprised to see Pete like this. All his classmates asked him what the matter was. Pete did not say a word. Then his favorite teacher, Miss Marks, asked him, and Pete whispered something in her ear. Miss Marks opened her handbag and gave Pete a brand new pencil. Pete was smiling once again. The other animals realized that Pete had lost his favorite pencil. This the other animals realized that Pete had lost his favorite pencil. The pencil his father had got him as a gift from his overseas trip, and it was very dear to Pete. The animals searched the class in the break and found Pete's lost pencil under one of the tables. Pete had never been so happy ever before. He promised to be more careful in the future. 15. What was the squirrel family called? Marks, Petersons, Thompson. The answer is B. Petersons. The answer is given here. A squirrel family called Petersons. 16. What was different one day? Pete smiled too much. Pete was very happy. Pete did not smile at all. The answer is C. Pete did not smile at all. The answer is here. However, one day Pete came to school without a smile on his face. 17. What did the teacher do? The teacher asked Pete to do his homework. The teacher asked Pete to stop crying. The teacher gave Pete a new pencil. The answer is C. The teacher gave Pete a new pencil. The answer is given here. Miss Marks opened her handbag and gave Pete a brand new pencil. 18. How do we know that Pete was a friendly squirrel? Pete fought with his brothers and sisters. Pete woke up with a broad smile every day. Pete was born in a happy squirrel family. The answer is B. Pete woke up with a broad smile every day. The answer is here. Every day, the baby squirrel, who was called Pete, would wake up with a broad smile. 19. Pete never fought with whom? His brothers and sisters, his parents, his classmates. The answer is A. His brothers and sisters. The answer is given here. Pete was a very friendly squirrel and never fought with his brothers and sisters. 20. The word overseas means another country, another city, another sea. The answer is A. Another country. 21. The word surprise means to be sad, to be hungry, to be shocked. The answer is C. To be shocked. Spoken and written expression for questions 22 to 26. Choose the best reply to complete each conversation. Example, Kate. Hi, how are you? Robin. I'm fine. 22. James. Where are you from? Rebecca. I lived in London for a year. I have been living in London. I'm from London. The answer is C. I'm from London. 23. Mike. Have you ever been to the post office? Monica. Yes, I haven't. Yes, me too. Yes, I have. The answer is C. Yes, I have. 24. Waiter. What would you like to order? Roger. A chicken sandwich, please. Yes, I will. Yes, I do want to order. The answer is a chicken sandwich, please. 25. Dad, why are you late? Bob, there was no traffic. The train was delayed. Yes, I am late. The answer is B. The train was delayed. 26. Henry, what are you doing this weekend? Rob, both of us are busy. I can do shopping. Nothing special, just studying. The answer is C. Nothing special, just studying. For questions 27 to 30, read the letter and answer the questions. Hi sis, we all are fine at home. How was life at university? Dad and I plan to visit you in the summer. I am saving money for that. I have bought some gifts for you. I will give them to you when we meet. Love, Henry. 27. Who is writing this letter? Dad, sister, brother. The answer is C, brother. 28. Who is he writing to? His sister, father, cousin. The answer is A, sister. 29. What is Henry doing to prepare for the summer? Buying flowers, studying hard, saving money. The answer is C, saving money. 30. Who else can you write such a letter to? A doctor, a teacher, dad. The answer is C, dad. Achiever section. 31. Choose the odd word out. A bus, a truck, a garage. The odd one out is C, a garage. 32. Choose the word which rhymes fight. Sight, Kate, page. The answer is A, sight. Fight, sight. 33. Choose the correct word. One woman, many dash. Woman, women's, woman's. The answer is A, woman. 34. Use the most suitable word to fill in the blank. The feminine form of fox is dash. Mare, hen, vixen. The answer is C, vixen. Fox, vixen. 35. Choose the best reply to complete the conversation. Robin, did you like the film? Win. Yes, I did. It was lovely. This was my first English movie. The ticket cost too much. The answer is A. Yes, I did. It was lovely. So my dear students, today we have completed 2014 Set B IEO question paper for class 2 students. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.